Hello boys and girls, this is our lesson for Tuesday, April 14, and today we're gonna begin with indefinite pronouns, and it's on page 127. So this is our first page for today, page 127. I had a problem with the video, that's why I had all the words already written, so I'm just making the video again because I couldn't upload the video correctly. So we're gonna learn today about indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are special pronouns that stand for people or things that are not named. And some examples of indefinite pronouns are anyone, someone, everything, something, everybody, and somebody. All of these are compound words, right? A word made out of other two words. Anyone, someone, everything, something, everybody, and somebody. First of all, boys and girls, we're gonna draw a line under the indefinite pronoun in each sentence. Since this is my second time recording this video, I already underlined the words, but I want to go one by one. Let's go to the first one, to number one. Number one says, he knows everything about trees. Everything is your indefinite pronoun. It's not making reference to anything on specific, so everything is the indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns don't make reference to anyone or to anything on specific. Number two, boys and girls. Number two says, would anyone like an apple? Would anyone like an apple? As you can see, anyone is our indefinite pronoun right here. Anyone. So we underline anyone. Number three, boys and girls. Someone baked apple pie. Someone is our indefinite pronoun because someone is not referring to anyone in particular. It's saying someone. And we actually, it's not telling us Sophia baked apple pie or Josue baked apple pie. It says someone, but we don't know who did it, right? So someone is our indefinite pronoun. These are the three indefinite pronouns that we are going to underline. Everything, anyone, and someone. Now, let's go to the bottom. Because at the bottom, you have the blank spaces. You have the empty spaces. And you are going to choose pronouns from the word bank to complete the sentences. Now, as you can see, boys and girls, the first one says, I learned blank about trees. I already chose an indefinite pronoun. I chose to use something. But these are all the indefinite pronouns that you can choose. You can choose anyone, someone, everybody, or somebody. These are the pronouns, the indefinite pronouns that tell something about a person. In this case, I chose to use something. I learned something about trees. Number five, has someone picked apples before? The indefinite pronoun that I chose to use was someone. Someone. Has someone picked apples before? That was the indefinite pronoun that I chose to use. Alright, boys and girls. So once again, let's take a quick back look at the indefinite pronouns, and then we'll move on to our next page. So we have anyone, someone, everything, something, everybody, and somebody. These are called indefinite pronouns. And do not forget to please write your name and last name at the top of the page. Name and last name at the top of the page, please. Alright, boys and girls, we're moving on to our next page. Now, the next page that we were scheduled to do today was describing characters. And I believe this page is a mistake that we have here, because I looked through all my teacher plannings. I looked through all the decodable readers and the blended books that we have, and there's nothing related to this page. So we are not gonna worry about this page describing characters today. We are going to leave it alone for now. So if you want to exit out, cross it out, it's fine with me. This is page 128. I don't want you to worry about it now. Boys and girls, we're gonna do our last page for today, Tuesday. We're gonna work with words with UE, U, and U consonant E. All of these vowels or vowel digraph, they have something in common. All of them say ooh, ooh, ooh. Some of them say it because of the silent E. Some of them say it just because they have the long U sound. And some of them just say it because you have this pattern U consonant E. You have the silent E at the end. Now, let's see what we have to do here. We have to circle the two words in each row that have the same vowel sound. We're going to write the letters that stand for that sound. As I was telling you before, this is my second time recording this video. That's why I already have the answers. We're going to go over each of these answers again. So the words that we have here are clue, trust, and true. We're going to read them one more time. Clue, trust, and true. Here, where are the two words that rhyme or that have the same sound? It's going to be clue and true. Clue and true have the same sound. And what vowel is causing that oo sound? It's actually UE. UE is this pattern UE. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to write down that vowel pair that makes the oo sound. It's right here. UE, UE. We're gonna write it down. Alright, boys and girls, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2, we have prune, flute, and float. Let's read them one more time. Prune, flute, and float. Which two words rhyme or... ¿Ah?
No cierren cuando se
vayan. Ok, gracias.
Niña dejó la llave de ella por aquí.
Oh.
¿De qué? Esta es tuya. ¿Dónde ella la habrá dejado?
Alright, boys and girls, sorry about that interruption. We go back to our video. Like I told you before, I'm at school right now. Okay, boys and girls. So here we go. We have prune, flute, and float. What are the two words that rhyme or that have the same vowel sound? It's gonna be prune and flute. Prune has the oo sound, and flute also has that u sound. So what's the vowel pair? What's the pattern that makes that oo sound? In this case, it's gonna be U consonant E. And you can say it here, U consonant E. U consonant E. Those are the ones making that sound. Alright, boys and girls, let's move on to number 3. Number 3, we have goal, flew, and truth. Goal, flew, and truth. So which are the words? Which are the words that rhyme? It's gonna be flew and truth. These are the two words that we're gonna circle. Now, as you can see, boys and girls, the vowel responsible, the only vowel in these two words is vowel U. So that's the one responsible for making that oo sound. Fl, oo, tur, ooth. That vowel, only U. We're gonna write it down. Number 4, we have tone, tune, and rule. Tone, tune, and rule. Which are the words that rhyme or that have the same sound? Tune and rule. Why? Because of this pattern. U consonant E. U consonant E. So what's the pattern? U consonant E. And don't forget to copy the pattern and circle the two words that have the same vowel sound. Our last number 5, we have blue, blunt, and glue. Blue, blunt, and glue. Which are the words that have the same vowel sound? Blue and glue. They rhyme. That's why that's why they rhyme, because they have the same vowel sound, right? So but why do they have the same vowel sound? Who's responsible for that vowel sound? Is UE. UE, that pattern that you see UE together, UE, that says oo, bl, oo, gl, oo. And what pattern is that? UE. So I'm gonna try to get all the page on the screen so you can see it. Once again, if you did not write your name yet, name and last name, you can do so now. Go ahead and write your name and last name right now. Alright, boys and girls, and that's it for today. So if you're done, you can go ahead and pause your video now, and I'll see you later for math. All right. Bye bye, boys and girls. See you later.